Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer Paysafecard to PayPal. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to transfer Paysafecard to PayPal, first what you need to do is open up your browser and then on the search bar, simply type in Transfer Pay, right? And once you hit enter, simply click on the first link that is shown to you. That is the official Transfer Pay page, and once you click on it here and once it loads, all you gotta do is just simply enter in your card code, that is your Paysafecard code, right? And once you do that, enter here that code and enter in your email, and now all you gotta do is enter in your balance right here. And once you do that, simply click on this transfer button, and once you do that, now go to the PayPal app, open it. There is a simply confirm the transaction, and once that's done and once you hit transfer here, your exchange will be done. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.